Morel mushrooms are highly prized by gourmet chefs and food enthusiasts for their unique earthy and nutty flavor. They are also highly sought after by foragers who venture into the woods in search of these elusive delicacies. However, with the increasing demand for morels, some farmers have started to grow them commercially. Morel mushroom farming is still in its infancy, and there are only a few commercial growers in the United States. This is because morels are notoriously difficult to cultivate, and the process is time-consuming and expensive. However, it is possible to grow morels successfully with the right conditions and techniques. One of the biggest challenges in morel mushroom farming is replicating the natural environment in which they grow. Morels typically grow in soil that has been disturbed, such as in burn areas or the vicinity of fallen trees. They also require specific temperatures and moisture levels to fruit, making it challenging to recreate these conditions in a controlled environment. They typically start by collecting wild morel spores from their local area and then use these to inoculate a substrate, such as a mixture of sawdust and grain, which is then placed in a sterilized container. The container is then kept in a warm, dark place, and after several weeks, the mycelium should start to grow. Once the mycelium has fully colonized the substrate, the container is transferred to a larger grow bag or container, where it is exposed to light and fresh air. The temperature and humidity levels are carefully controlled to mimic the natural conditions in which morels grow. It can take several months for the mycelium to mature and produce fruiting bodies. Even then, the morels will not be guaranteed to grow. However, with persistence and the right conditions, farmers can produce a small but steady supply of morels that can be sold to restaurants and specialty food stores. In addition to being a challenging and rewarding farming enterprise, morel mushroom farming also has the potential to benefit the environment. By cultivating morels in a controlled environment, farmers can reduce the pressure on wild morel populations and help to conserve natural habitats. Overall, morel mushroom farming is an exciting and growing industry that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to experiment with different techniques. As demand for these delicious and nutritious mushrooms continues to grow, we can expect to see more farmers exploring the potential of this unique crop.